In this video, I'll show you how you can easily do a nested if condition in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel using the ifs function. So the example I have here is some inventory data where I basically want to classify the stock level data here into one of four labels. So if it's greater than 100, I want to say that it is overstocked. If the inventory is from 50 to 100, I want to say it's adequate. If it's from 1 to 49, I want to say it's low stock. And if it's 0, it's out of stock. So normally how I would do this is by using a nested if condition, by just literally nesting if conditions one after the other. So how that would look like is something like this. If my A2 here is greater than 100, I want to say it's overstocked. Else, if my A2 is greater than or equal to 50, then I want to say it's adequate. Next, if my A2 is greater than or equal to 1, then I want to say it's low stock. And then if my cell A2 is equal to 0, I want to say it's out of stock. And then I can just close all these if statements by using 4 sets of parentheses. So if you notice, what I literally did here is in the else condition of each if statement, I just added another if and then kept nesting it like that. So then if I click enter, this gives me the correct label, and then I can then just drag that to the rest of the data. So this works great, but what I'll show you is a much easier way using the ifs function. So let me just get rid of this first, and then we can try using the ifs function. So just type in ifs and then start adding your conditions. So same thing. My first condition is if my cell A2 is greater than 100, then I want to say it's overstocked. Now the only difference here is instead of adding another if, you will just continue specifying your conditions separated by commas. So then I can start typing my second condition, which is A2 greater than or equal to 50, and then that would be adequate. And then I will do that for the rest of the data as well. So if it's A2 greater than or equal to 1, then that's low stock. If it's equal to 0, then it's out of stock. And then you just need to close it out with 1 parentheses. And then if you click enter, it gives you the exact same result as our original formula. So there you have it. This is a very easy and efficient way to do nested if conditions, especially if you have many arguments. And it's much easier than using the kind of conventional method of just manually nesting several if statements together. So I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.